Before you start using the William coffee grinder, you can adjust the angle of the chute so that during grinding the coffee is precisely directed into the filter. You can also change the height of the central pin to ensure that the filter holder remains balanced during the grinding phases. With William PL72, you can change the grinding time for 1 or 2 coffee doses, and you can view the count of doses dispensed, both partial and total. To adjust the grinding degree, you just have to rotate the knob while the grinding is running. This is to avoid the burrs to get ruined. After changing the grinding degree, you have to set also the time, in order to balance the right coffee quantity in the filter. We suggest to always make a first test dose in order to eliminate the residues of the previous grindings and to obtain an impeccable result each time. You can always stop the grinding using the button next to the knob. This same button allows you to add a small quantity of grinding at the end of the automatic dosing activated by the plate. After 30 minutes of inactivity, William goes into standby as indicated by the central light. To restart the grinder, simply press once the activation plate.